parliamentary system. Please, but some of the rules are unwritten. So, if you yourself, now you're parliamentary leader, maybe I'm not sure of power. Maybe you say, also, you see to, or say, see to say, if you are parliamentary of him, party in the London, the party will be you must say, not to be a normal conversation. So, maybe a council city in Queen also again. If you are young, say, who can baby, you are making sure, sir, no president, it didn't come to home. Most of the president in charge. You didn't come to home, it's very constituency, it's very bad, very small margin. See, I'm feeling very nice. So, somebody will be over. Which is a very real. Which is a majority now cooler and go for you. It's the only thing. You trap around you are doing now. When you really got now, it may be easy. When you have that sound of you, so you know to do that. You be there for a short time. You say, I don't sanity. Maybe. So, yeah, the boy of us. I know they are a show sanity.
Na doc say manfo ne nam na omo kana nam ne yetete say ohwe the current composition of parliament as they say kamia koye say manfo kana say John is supreme leader because oko parliament already ne dom e wo ho no omo enough say bill bi obe drop bia no ebi crack say omonye ye ni no biu ene be on ba ya say yezu eyeza na pass yezu eyeza na pass
you have the one customer who has you majority so it's so responsible so person but if you have the majority you have to go through the process because the moment you are coming yes, I can't manage for the common. But I say, you're going to be a different class and become. Why do you run a rough shot over them there? It is almost almost a person to go. But by your name of you. This is the time I was saying, which is a movement for. Remember, Massa. Massa called Massa. After all, that's a movie to one of the women. The other one in Canada. One year, that's Massa. Hello, I'm on for campus. I'm a penal, but I'm not better. You want me from Pianco?
Osha Obiti say Alban Babina. In fact, Enrana Avezi, Diana, or no, different views, say the party. Still, no more endorse Alban Babin, say, or no, Uncle Speaker of Parliament. That was Avezi, I mean, former. Public Accounts Committee chairman Banini Nemono Alban Baben Koi. Oshe Alban Baben ni posture over the 8th Parliament at the point in time on no crown crop for na o disciplining or money nema noa. Obeye easy to go person ediama NDC our Parliament sir.
That's what you need. That is what you want the speaker to be. You be good. Instead of to be a Rama. And then the balance of that. You are waiting your president to the field like, oh, when I'm going to come around him. But the cool should be, so you didn't cry. The plan for cry the bonus. So, it will be no sorry. If you are not there, or someone man can say, President of the community say, the Queen apart. They look upon us, sorry, brother. And just work, and it's it. So we do it, but to go to. They want to know it, but to go to. But you I could probably be I could see at some international. I say, I'm going to
cut a Omampenia sisi woba ne promises awodia aba about 25 of them corruption cases ahodoa was so obehwe ye levy emission tax betting tax also being free ho afi so national dialogue and educational reforms any afi ni 24-hour economy ni export development year ni na odi abey 120 days also obehwe say sanya mani nyina no ehun kratasem ehun komodie any say o kickstart all those projects no any policies and programs no obehwe say within 120 days we betimi aye no ohwe a obetimi
because almost months so especially we are coaching from over so if I know it's there or there's another far of course I join in case I join and then I found so a check it's in center until all time now that when most at the when the radio that time I don't know if it will make a crack. I would advise him not to even put timelines on these things. As long as I recording, several doors. So what will be why are they? They say they very quickly when they come more. They get taxing this evening. So you can send them back 1 and 10. And it is. You can send them the income of it back 1 and 10 because it's a buy away is coming. Dia sikasem oso soja fon ko dia sikasem oso ko fon ko du fon sikasem oso tu amuka so when they mean about the children will force you to deal with that so until for so sanja when the others number 20 when now him to say now him to say the business started so bad when the member would be when the cantonment to actually we emphasize that the ship himself, which is a donation. So, the best thing of your the first hand, if you are for a mission, also, I want to go to the young mission to enter the blessing. As long as you are going forward, when you say no long time, I reach my romantic, Muhammad is my emergency, still will be our perfect. But I wish you now be also a unit, the unique. Well, I'm saying, you know, so to say. This is another one can come on. It's really awesome. So, a bit. You see, I'm going to be different from now. So, to force you to deal with certain things, I won't know. So, a first Ghana Water Company, a first operations, I'm being more suspended because you are not able to treat the water. An emergency situation, okay, you have to deal with this. You know, as you can see. Now, taxes also being your phone. In terms of the share, every tax in Hasa. Now, could have some influence to see a Sika will be an answer. The engineering, the tissue. I'm not for now the Coca-Cola. That you are taxing winter. It's one day you for a transition. So we must Coca-Cola where they go. With Coca-Cola, Zanian.
So, Doc, Yamra Wangasa party, MPP mo.